Mas não sei para YouTube, qual YouTube video não.
You gonna find the video?
Ele tem uma vídeo, mas não sei para YouTube.
You want to see yourself on YouTube? Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So yeah, today's video we're gonna actually get some food, but we know you guys kind of want to see the behind the scenes, the vanilla and all that crap or something that I do as well. So we're actually here at this special spot. Is in the grand opening today, one of my friendly places. I mean, so we carry vanilla for do a VIP service. You understand? She's gonna get the whole works and everything. It's gonna be crazy. Guys, vanilla is getting groomed today on the whole VIP service or whatever. So I'm there so with her a little bit because she's a bit nervous. It's alright. It's okay. Alright, so groomer same trying to build some trust. So using his techniques, rubs, stuff like that. We all know how vanilla is already. She carrying her hair.
Good girl. Huh? Good girl.
Famous vanilla.
No. Keisha, big up yourself. Welcome to the vlog.
Hi
Look
guys.
at my hot somebody friend. I'm gonna show yourself because you're lighting. Watch out. Hey. Walk on.
Hi guys. Welcome to my store.
Right. Alright, so it can't, she has shed whole heap now, right? She shedding a lot. But I don't want her to have that trim the way it does low and the head look extra big and does the tail.
But I was going to trim just right here only.
Okay.
Just,
Before she bathe?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
cool.
just this here where the shaft of urine and all that.
Okay.
Yeah. The wetness on the bottom here and the foot bottom.
Okay.
Getting the important parts.
Parts.
Yeah.
Got you.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it now.
Vanilla and more control and here to come on to the equipment. Good job, Vanilla. For me, I'll be here problem, you know? Yeah, man.
Discipline, you know? Shh. Respect them space and so them have to respect your own too.
Facts. So this of the like a air treatment?
Nah, just clean the air.
Just clean the air.
Dirt out the air.
Okay.
Dirt what it does is create a home for ticks and fleas. So
Oh.
when you keep getting rid of it,
Okay.
and you avoid infection as well.
Nice.
Good, good.
look good though, girl. Alright, so while Vanilla does her little treatment, we are here back at Aunt Merl's. This is like my third time being here. Don't know if Sarah or road show. You guys have been asking yo where Sarah is.
Back.
What? So isn't me? We know some go hold some lobster for sure. Isn't me? What you want?
I kind of feel I'm hungry, guys. I'm really hungry, so I might deal with the fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
Vibes. Alright, so I'll go check what is going on inside here. If you've never been to Jamaica, this is a thing that's very common whenever you're buying seafood. You come pick out your fish, then we'll tell you what size it is and whatever. So, sorry, go pick out our fish.
Alright.
I see some red snapper and then I see some doctor fish.
But I don't know which is which, you know, but I just want to eat. That one look nice. Yeah, this look nice.
It's a nice
Snapper,
one.
yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Red snapper, yeah?
Yeah.
Red snapper.
Okay. And then you go away.
Yeah, man. That's true. Come on.
Oh, he wants lobster, I believe.
Yeah.
You don't want fish?
No, if you want, you can just take some, man.
Yeah, so I'll take lobster.
So how much festival you want with this?
No.
10?
Yeah, give it 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
So we have some pepper shrimp, so you guys, if you guys been watching the vlog long enough, you know, so we love pepper shrimp.
Yeah.
Sorry, buy one of them.
It's how much a bag?
Only 4 big.
Alright, give me 2.
Oh. Yo, we don't even know. Alright, cool. So we're gonna look for the lobster really quick. Alright. Got some nice lobster and thing. A nice size one, not too small.
Some big one, yeah.
How much is that big one there? I need big money.
About 2 pounds, one of them weigh about 2 pounds.
How much is that per pound?
1800.
1800 per pound. I don't want the big one.
You like
Yeah.
some more,
See where this one? Yeah, man.
Alright, so we are going 2 pound of lobster. Alright, yeah, second.
Aunt Merl Street,
Yeah.
this outlet.
Yeah,
Hellshire Beach.
this one I work for this one.
Lobster?
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
exactly. So how them find you? You go normally like walk past
Normally, on the beach.
on the beach.
I will find me right at Aunt Merl.
So what them call you now?
Mr. Shrimp.
Mr. Shrimpy.
Yeah, man.
Vibes.
Yes, man. Every time, you know?
Alright, pick up yourself.
Every time.
Vibes.
Yes.
Mas não sei qual é o YouTube video, não.
You gonna find the video?
Aqui, mas não sei qual é o YouTube.
You want to see yourself on YouTube? Alright, why chef name then?
Aunt Merl, fish place here. This place for HB here.
Straight.
Long using that beach now, losing America from a little boy. Best eating fish, finger licking good.
True.
Lobster, bad. Butter sauce, I got it on the thing, slap for here.
Yeah.
Me, the prof on the thing.
How you are dealing with this right now?
I know this one now, juicy family, juicy fry.
Juicy fry.
Yeah. Juicy
Oh.
fry, escovitch fish here.
That means you know too dry.
Not too dry,
No.
juicy fry. But if you want it dry, just tell them you want it dry.
Oh.
You know, really fried, dry, juicy.
Yo, vibes.
Yeah. So what do you do here?
So we see I use a special type of wood under this one.
And then we call them thinking keys, we call them.
Oh,
Yeah,
thinking keys.
yeah, so them are the real stuff them here.
Yeah.
Nothing like thinking keys. Give the fish the real flavor.
Yo.
Smoke on the thing.
I love what you do with this thing, man.
Thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, man, I mean, do my thing, you know.
How much you guys
Yeah.
say there so far?
The Americans for me, I will. Well, they give me a look a boy right now. Yeah, big man now.
So you just start on the fire? You just start as a chef or?
Yes, on the fire, I start do my thing first.
Eh.
On the fire, I never come wash no plate.
Straight for the fire.
This.
Vibes.
Lobster, I do lobster, I do a crab, island grilled crab.
What the favorite thing where people must come here and buy? Like what sell the most?
Alright, steamed fish and the lobster.
Steamed fish and lobster sell the
They
most.
come from because I love the lobster. Steamed
Yeah.
fish, they like it, but most be like pricing, but steamed fish, because I think nothing like the whole for aisle.
Oh yeah, healthier.
There's your food enough. I see the upper grease.
Yeah.
Give it a time, you know?
I really thought, man.
You don't know if you eat a seafood food and eat a fried fish, you know? I want to.
You know what I think you do over there, some money cook good.
Proper thing you do, man. Proper thing, man. Proper thing. I want to fry them crispy. That's the way. You don't want to say, that the fish crispy, man. The fish bone up in you, man. Fry it juicy. That means you
Juicy fry.
And fry it back. If you say, want it dry out,
You can just tell you.
I'll put it back in the pot. But
Right.
you can't fry back over again. I try out. Juicy.
Real talk,
When I
real
eat the other
talk.
thing is for a lick off.
Yeah.
This is a cabbage and I'm white. No fish for the festival.
Another
Sushi festival alone you want to eat.
one of the best festivals me ever eat from yourself.
Aunt Merl, man.
Yeah.
Best thing,
Trust me,
man.
man. I
Aunt
attend
Merl.
festival I had a while ago. I know I go one more.
You go want more, man.
Yeah, man, I
Bomb
eat
the
that.
festival, man. The bomb, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man. The bomb them, man. The bomb them. Yeah. Bomb.
Nice.
So you do the festival, you know?
Flap me toad.
Yeah.
That's the key. Yeah, man. Them festival, them just light
Yeah.
and full of flavor. I love them,
Yeah,
man.
man. So the festival, the organic festival.
Organic festival?
Yeah, that's what we call them, you know?
Oh.
Yeah. No will for flour and to make him puff it up him fat and he have ear and you know?
Oh,
yeah.
this is right.
Like
eh.
this, you might have 10 of them one time.
And then fry it quick to do.
They take man, they take 1 minute to take fry one hour, no minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Once you put that and thing and everything good to go, you know?
Yeah, bless up with the chef.
Sorry,
Oh.
general man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yo, what I love about Aunt Merl is them just very personable. Every time I come here, I can ask them to show me what's happening in the kitchen, and they're just happy to show that. So, if you are ever in Hellshire, make sure you check out Aunt Merl's seafood place. It's really good. But more really hear about the shrimpy. How shrimpy are go on? Tell me how shrimpy are go on because
Alright, so for me personally, I prefer the soft shell.
I like the soft shell one too.
The hard shell, nah, really cut it for me, but
Yeah.
you know what? Let me tell you something about Jamaican people. $400 bag, right?
Yeah.
Supposed to get back $200 change from my grand. $200 change I'm supposed to get. And instead I'm gonna get my change and give me a $200 bag. Ah, well, you know.
Oh.
Anyway, the support is we just stay still.
I know, I know that I say sometimes. Makes sense. I'm a big fan of pepper shrimp, but like as Sarah said, you know the soft shell one is, you know, it's easy to eat.
And then you stick me in my mouth.
Them one have fight, yeah, when them dead them a fight.
Fight,
Same,
yeah.
Look at that. One of my favorite snacks in Jamaica, especially when you go to the beach, you have to hold this. Yeah, you hear it. You know.
Pepper.
Some persons don't eat the shell. I will sometimes.
Yeah. The one that, as I said, they're fighting in my mouth, so I have to bite it off for sure.
The flavor on it is good. Usually if you want like the softer shell, just look on the bag and see which one is softer. Usually the smaller ones are the softer shell ones.
All of these look big though.
Yeah.
See this, guys? Yes, techniques are tight.
Keep one more in there. literally one of the perfect beach waiting snacks. It's so good.
Mini lobsters.
If you don't want to eat shell, just break it off. Ooh. Popping, man.
I can't wait for the festival to touch right now, so I can't anticipate.
Alright, so we have the shrimp name over like. Try small one. How much you want?
4 for 1, 3 for 11.
Alright, give me.
And 3 bags?
No, give me one. 2 for 100.
I'll take it now.
That 500?
We could have get 2 for 5.
2 of them for 500?
Not them size, but 2 different size.
Oh.
So you don't pack it off.
We're gonna put some my pepper in it now.
Right. And this
Alright.
pepper sauce is very nice.
Very nice.
Yes, it's not annoying.
Okay.
Annoyingly hot.
Hot. Okay.
Can get a broccoli for
These are sea shrimps. These are not jangles. These are £1,000 shrimps.
Oh.
Very dear.
Sea shrimp.
Straight meat.
Yeah, you can
Yes,
see.
you can give me back your feedback.
Soft shell.
Alright. Ooh, I can smell the pepper.
Yeah,
though.
man.
Jeez.
Not really.
Yeah, man, now this one like,
Yeah, man.
we can just chew everything.
All ahead.
Want 2 more bags?
Everybody.
You want 2 more bags? 6
This is
bills, I
nice.
get 2 more bags. Nice with you. And
This is
fresh.
nice.
And it's not calm.
Take a look at that, guys.
I'm gonna run a support. So it's 6 pieces and get 2 more
And you
back.
get 2 more bags.
I see him back
This
here.
is your family.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, their family.
6 bills more,
Okay.
and you get
Alright. Support. Hey man, pepper off your way. Alright, so I don't know, you guys always support my thing. Isn't it support the channel, whether it's dropping a like or comment or being a patron or CASHAPP, whatever the case is. So you don't know, you can drop the support on somebody else. So really and truly, you don't even have so much shrimp. You understand? But I'm gonna try hers. This is generally the type that I prefer. Drop in the comments which one you prefer. You prefer the soft shell or the hard ones. I'm not getting a pepper, so I'm gonna go shake it up a little bit.
You taste the sweetness from the sauce?
It's not the conventional pepper shrimp, but it'll be almost like the oyster man and twist and stuff. If you never checked out that street food video that we did, I'll drop the link somewhere up here so you guys can check it out. The oyster man. So I quite like this.
And this is the first thing.
I mean, they both have their
Yeah,
thing.
different.
Like, this one's
Different
more.
dimensions.
This is more of a Jamaican flavor. This one is a Jamaican with a slight twist, and I appreciate it. Vibes. About bunny over them, man.
You did not tell you.
Yo, you guys might notice, or might hear, it's raining outside, which I quite like. For those who are wondering about coming to Hellshire and is it still accessible, because someone was saying that you can't dine in, but you can actually dine in, but you cannot go to the beach. at the moment because of the government restrictions. So you can dine in. I guess there's a limit to it, but there's not many people here anyway. And yeah. So right now we're just waiting on the food to forward up. And Sarah, are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure? So sweat there, so you don't see it? See sweat?
Yeah.
It's crazy. There's just something about eating pepper shrimp is where like you keep going back for more torture. There's just
When
something.
you live up on you.
When your mouth up on you want more.
It's good though. Especially the sauce.
Watch
It's
out.
really good.
Crime scene. Crime scene.
Crime scene. Crime scene.
Good.
Come on, focus. Focus. Hey.
So we just did add to relocation. I think it's nice when you come to a seafood place. You kind of want to sit outside. But you know, it's funny. Something as simple as a napkin can be a great customer service. When I travel, I try to notice stuff that sets other establishments apart. And I saw when Sarah went to go wash her hands, but they do have a sanitization place there. And you know, the owner offered her a napkin to wipe her hands, and I was like, okay, cool. I never really expected for myself. When I went there, she did the same thing for me as well. And I was just like, yo, it's a simple thing sometimes when you travel. You know, it just makes you want to spend your money. So I think you mentioned that it was Aunt Merl's daughter that is now taking control of the place, I believe. And yeah, family run business, Jamaican owned business, and yeah, quality has always been the same.
I mean, so one time, the water never used to be so close up. I feel like if I step off right now, I'm stepping directly into the water.
Facts.
Like they used to have sand, and you just go out in there, but now, the sea definitely.
You know, being a content creator, it's almost as if you have superpowers with 100,000 subscribers that you in some way, shape or form influence. And as you can see in this video here, there is no longer sand on the Hellshire Beach. Now, if I'm to be honest, I can't quite remember sand being out there, but a lot of you do. With that being said, the parrotfish plays a great part in the ecosystem, whether it's taking care of the coral reefs and also allowing the rejuvenation of sand. Now, let's be honest, the parrotfish is a great tasting fish, but I've decided to not eat so much of it anymore. If we're catching them, make sure we're catching the adult ones. And I hope sometime in the future there is some level of restriction to allow the proper rebirth of this precious creature.
Oh, fish ready hunting, and to the festival of them talk about. And in your cup here you get a thing of escovitch. And what escovitch is like a vinaigrette with onions and peppers.
More pepper.
Yeah, and throw it on top. It's really good. It's really good. If you've never tried something like that before, don't hesitate to give it a try.
Ooh. Guys, you taking notice of this? Okay, nice and fluffy.
Ah.
Oh my god, and it's hot.
Hot.
Listen, you can't come to them place here and get cold festival. It's not going to be nice.
Nah.
It has to be hot.
I don't think there's any festivals on God's earth that is better than out on
Hellshire.
Hellshire.
Yeah man, not at all. The only thing I would have said is that it's probably not as sweet. You know some people put sugar in theirs,
Yeah.
right? But this is still nice.
Oh, it is hot.
Yeah.
Light, fluffy. Look at those air pockets. got to switch locations just now. And I don't know, there's something about this place for me that I enjoy. It's just it's a different kind of character. Yeah, it's raining and water might be dripping in at some spots or whatever, but it feels right. I don't know, what do you think about that? Like,
yeah, but you know, for me, I was saying earlier that coming to Hellshire, eating food and not hearing some nice reggae music is like almost never, you know. So that kind of adds to the ambience for me. Really nice.
not just the music, I'm talking like
the place itself.
just the wooden benches.
If you look at up here now, I mean, this is what I've known it always to be still. So it's
The
like
same
reggae,
same look, yeah. It's a vibe. But anyway, the food is here, and that's why we are here. That's why you are here. So, ooh. Yes, Lord. Oh my God, Becky, look at her. Sunshine. Yeah, so what I do, I prefer to get the lobster a bit smaller because I don't like the big heads on the lobster because they don't really have a lot of meat. That's just my little tip. But yeah, so I got these lobster here and Sarah got her fish and ting. You see me? Yo, I'm excited, bro. Look at this
I
baby.
feel like more excited though.
Yeah, clearly.
So I can eat the party and you know, so the fish nice.
Yeah. God is good and God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. By His hands we all are fed. Give us Lord our daily bread. Amen. Alright, so if you guys maybe a little mukbang. Where's the fork that he brought?
Well, this is the point in which you guys should get something to eat because trust me,
Oh yeah.
y'all are gonna wish you had eaten this.
I mean, this is the part where I put out an Instagram post. Follow me on Instagram, guys. If you want to see like behind the scenes before these things even come out on YouTube. Bruh, the steam. Oh, it's just come out, Papa. Burn the baby.
Listen guys, I'm not lying, I cannot cut Steve still, but you know,
You can take one.
I can take one.
I'm a G still.
Sharing is sharing.
I'm not gonna like share ya. I'm a little vibes, you see me? I'm not gonna lie.
Trust.
I always make sure I'm good. You good?
Listen, I don't even eat this yet, and the pepper, I don't know. Something about it just.
Guys. I hope it don't burn me. Oh. Look at that. Yo, that's hot. Oh no, bro.
But this is the only time I can find myself eating onion like this too, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna lie, I like with the onion and the pepper. Everybody right on top, what's your problem?
Just wait for the crime scene a couple minutes from now. You want to taste the fish?
Wipe it up.
Fish.
No, the lobster smells nice too.
My God. Ooh. So good. Take away taking out of the plate fast before I just eat it up.
But no, but this, whatever it is.
It's garlic butter. Garlic butters.
This is the face of approval. The face of approval, guys. Please. Long time, I eat lobster.
Only on side vlogs.
Fat.
Why not? Why can I eat lobster? Doesn't
And that's a
encounter.
minute, yeah.
Ah.
Nice, tender, it's nice and juicy. That butter.
Don't call in 2 night.
Yo, I'm on a whole food review right now, guys. Trust me. It's the real deal. And I don't want you guys to feel like so because on camera we're saying these things. Trust me, with taste buds, speaking truth, okay?
Got the escallion. Onion. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Got the steam.
Hot. Hot. That's one of the soft.
Soft and nice, though.
Look.
Like everything just fit.
You got butter on your plate, eh? Go
Because
on.
butter make it taste better.
Me if you run off and left Jamaica?
Mad.
I'm sorry.
Crazy. Crazy. The food alone is enough to time me here.
Trust me. Uh-huh. How much pound fish?
Yeah.
Remember?
Mark, no, peanut on Irish man.
The beer on your breath smells nice.
The beer on my breath smells nice. What? What?
What you say?
I'm not gonna lie, but you buy a little one then. Swear to you.
Yeah, because by the time you don't eat a big one there, it's like,
Yeah.
if you're picking the funny.
There's more in there, but we'll leave that for later. As in escovitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't hear it.
there's nothing pretty about eating this right.
Mm.
Nothing pretty.
This food makes me feel like a barbarian.
Eat for this.
It's like just want done it right there.
Time to flip this fish.
Jeez. I am leaving back one of them because tonight we need something nice. As in here, one lobster. Which one? Yeah, still. The head still have meat in there. You know. And just hard to reach. I'm gonna go home and sit down and just crack them on everybody. Take the butter, yeah? But even can I have some of your gravy? Wash it on.
Yes.
So we buy 10 festival, how much is that party?
No.
And that's a total of 6,100 for fish, lobster, and $500 on top of that, so 6,600 for everything.
Satisfied.
Thanks for the amazing food, man.
Yes.
So, point blank period, one of the best places to get seafood when you're over here at Hellshire. There are many other restaurants. If you guys do know any ones that might be better, drop it in the comments and let us know. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. It was a great day. Vanilla is well groomed and my stomach is full. Remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.